step-by-step of how to put it together. It's not too hard. I put it together once and took it apart real quickly. So the first thing is following my directions. You take this little piece. There's a handle right here. Just take and slide it down on there. Push it down until it clicks. You hear it click. The next piece is you're going to take, this is your handle, and you're going to stick it on here, and you're just going to slide it back onto the actual pressure washer. I'm not going to do it right now just to save some time, but it says it's screwed in. So what you do is you take your screws and you screw them together so that it would hold this in place. Your screws are right here. You need a Phillips screwdriver for that. The next thing is to take the hose, and there's a little spot here on the back. You take and you plug it, you push it on. Push it on pretty good, pretty snug so that it can't pop off. This is for your detergent. The next thing you have is this little piece that goes right here on the side. It might take a little bit of finagling my first couple times. I tried little different techniques, but there's a groove right here and a groove right here. You just put it right on it, and then you give it a good little push, and it'll snap into place. I don't want it to pop out there. So there's your screw right there. Then the next thing you're gonna do after you've done that is you got your hose handle. Take it, and it goes on the front. There's some little places right here. You take and you just slide it on. Line up your slots. Your handle on. It's also got a nail spot. And then what we're going to do is get your gun and the wand. So the wand's got a coupler side and it's got a screw side. So you're going to take off the piece of the screw side. And then I'm actually going to put some tape on here. It doesn't come with any plumbing tape, but I'm going to put some on just so it prevents any leaking. I'm going to put it right around here. Like I said, it doesn't come with it. It doesn't say to do it, but I'm going to. Dropped it right there. Okay, I'll be using it here in a second anyways again. 1 or 2 wraps. And take and just screw it on. So you're going to screw it till it's tight. And then it has a place so you can get a wrench or something and tighten it up on there. So I'll do that after I'm done with this. Just for demonstration purposes. So it's on there. It's not all the way on there. Like I said, I'm going to go and I'm going to tighten that up here in a second. So I'd recommend getting a wrench. The next thing you're going to do is it shows hooking up your gun to the hose. So take, put it on here. I'm going to put some tape on here as well. Get some tape. Put it on the bottom of my gun. So this just prevents it from having an extra leak. It's the same thing that the plumbers use in your house. 1 or 2 wraps would be fine. First wrap, pull it tight. Second wrap. It doesn't recommend doing this. It doesn't say it, but I don't know why it would hurt. Take and screw this up as tight as you can. Alright. We got that piece done. Now what we're going to do is you're going to hook it to the back of your Sun Joe, which is right here. Take the cap off. Put some more tape on there. If you don't have any of this, I wouldn't worry about it too much. They'd probably have thought about it. It's only 90 cents or something like that. If you're going to buy this off the internet, just go ahead and buy yourself some. That way you have it on hand. It'd be good to have in your house anyways. And then you're going to take and you're going to hook the hose up right to the back. Exact same as you would with a garden hose. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Go until it's tight. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is it comes with a little garden hose piece. I'm going to take on the front of your Sunjoe, there is the front piece. Let me get my tape. There we go. And then put your garden hose piece on there. There we go. And just like that, you've got your Sunjoe put together. Like I said, you're supposed to put screws in there. I just did it kind of quicker so that you won't have to sit here and watch me. And that's how it's done. If you have any questions, let me know.